So now that your screws back in, take your spring, big side goes down first. This goes in here. Put your little hooks back in here on the side. Grooves here. While you're holding these, take your cap back on. And then just gonna tighten that down. Make sure it's snug, not too tight, because you don't want it to be a pain the next time you go to rebuild it. Roll it back on, and there you go. That's your hydrogen monitor rebuild. And you should be able to hear this. That means you did it right. So, and then how you know if you didn't is if when you turn it back on, you have water spewing out of it, somewhere you went wrong. So you have to go back and see where you went wrong. Otherwise, if you hear that click, there's no water coming out, you're good. That's it.